Hi Daly, City Rec at Home. My name is Cherry and today we're going to make a watermelon fan. So for your supplies today, you'll need wet glue, a Sharpie, 2 popsicle sticks, 2 sheets of pink paper, 4 sheets of green strips, and 4 sheets of the light green strips. Your first step is to glue the strips of green paper onto the edges of your pink paper. Your next step is to draw the seeds with the Sharpie. So now you're going to fold it like an accordion, about 1/2 inch wide. Your next step is to glue the edges together, and then you're going to fold it in half. So for your last step, you're going to glue the popsicle sticks onto the sides of the fan. And that's how you make your watermelon fan. Thanks for watching.